Hi Teami community, it's Adia Zini, and today I am introducing our newest product. As you know, most of us don't sit at home all day. We're always on the go. We're going to work, we're going to the gym, we're going to pick up our kids, and we're all busy. And staying healthy on the go and living this busy lifestyle isn't always easy. So we made a product that could help you stay healthy wherever you are. This product will allow you to make healthy smoothies wherever you go. We made a product that you could literally make a smoothie at your desk. Here's our Teami Mixit, and it is beautiful, and this allows you to make your smoothies on the go. It comes in packaging like this in a little box, and it's beautiful. It gives you full instructions on how to use it. But today I'm going to be actually showing you step by step how to use your Mixit. So you have the lid, you have the body and the shell. All you do is you take this part and you put it in until you see a flashing blue light. Blue means you're good to go. Red means don't do it. Once you see the blue flashing light, you're good to turn it on. And after you add in your ingredients, all you have to do is push down on this button and you hold it down and it'll turn on for 30 seconds. I don't even have to do anything. So it's super easy to charge it. It actually charges by USB. So you could use any type of phone charger, or it comes with our USB charger, and you put it in here and you stick it into the outlet, and that's how you recharge the batteries. So I love making my smoothie and being able to take it with me on the go wherever I am. I just turn it on, even if I'm in my car, in the office, at the gym. I can actually make my smoothie wherever I am, and I never have to plug it in, not once. It makes being healthy and living a healthy lifestyle actually doable. You can actually even put your fruit and your ingredients in our Teami Mixit and just put it in your fridge at work and just mix it at lunch. So if you're looking for a healthy meal replacement, ladies, this is what you want. You can make it at your desk. Like, amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Our Teami Mixit's available on our website now in our Teami original green color, and I hope you love it, and I hope that you use it and live a healthier lifestyle. If you guys order it, I want to know in the comments below what you guys think. I want all your feedback. I want to see videos of you guys making your own recipes in your Teami Mixit, and I want to see you take it on the go and show me where are you taking it. Love you guys. See you next time.